Hello, welcome to Prater Amusement Park. These brave souls are gonna start their wild west adventure of swing here, swing there, swing everywhere. Now let's see what's gonna happen. The ride here costs €5 per person. Okay. Let's see what it does. Let's see what happens. This will be very fun to watch. Wow, look at that. Ooh. Okay, people, the guy is coming back down and going to press the machine. This ride is called Tornado. Tornado. Let's go, Tornado. Okay. Are we ready? Tornado. Whoa, go one round. That was just to prepare you so that you are tornadoing very soon. The concept is how you will feel like if you were in a tornado. Yes, except that it's not just gonna be like that. So, up, down. Oh man, how are you gonna keep your dinner in, huh? Oh, even before you start, they're already telling you now, I'm gonna puke. I'm gonna puke. Hey, come on, can we go now? Hey, hello. Oh, Piangi. I think whatever she has inside her is gonna drop. Really? You really want to do this? Okay, it's really gonna start right now. Tornado. The sound comes on. And it goes up. Whoa! Wow! Flip up. Down. Up. Wow! Right on top of me. Don't break, I want to lift one. It's for you guys. I don't know. Whoa! Woo! I can't even catch him on my camera anymore. That's how wild it is. Whoa! Oh man, you gotta be kidding me. Whoa! Okay lah. I think you're good lah. I ate my dinner already. I'm sorry. Just watching you makes me get giddy too. Oh man. La la la. Woo! Thank you for entertaining me this evening. I'll never ride that, but you guys are brave. Oh man. Woo! Okay, is that all you do? Let's go back and forth, swing you one round and make you feel groggy. Hope you didn't eat dinner before this. Oh, spinning everywhere. Vroom. Okay, I think stop already lah. Okay, people, so that was a €5 of Tornado. If you like it, you can come to Prater and enjoy Tornado. Bye bye.